Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk suspend users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Managing user accounts in a growing organization can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to handling inactive or off-boarded users. Manually suspending these accounts in Google Workspace not only drains IT resources but also increases the risk of human error and compliance gaps. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation tool designed specifically for Google Workspace. It enables administrators to efficiently bulk suspend users with minimal effort. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, xFanatical Foresight simplifies the process of managing inactive or departing users. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Suspend Users in Google Workspace and click on it. In the Bulk Suspend Users in Google Workspace page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Suspend Users in Google Workspace will display. Click Next. The rule is auto-configured. No configurations required. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk suspending users in Google Workspace. Go to xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Suspend Users in Google Workspace and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the User Email column, remove the sample user emails and add the real primary email address of users to suspend. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon of Bulk Suspend Users in Google Workspace rule. Upload the CSV file. Wait for the success notification and click on the View Log button. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the user has been successfully suspended by the automation rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.